Channel. I'm Talisha, also known as CreativiTeeByT, and today we're gonna go through my spring McCall's pattern haul. So I'm trying to break these videos up because there's so many patterns that the videos are like super long, so that's why I'm splitting them all up. But today again is going to be the McCall's pattern, and then after this I will have one that is going to combine my quick sews and burlas. So if this is something that you're interested in, just make sure you stay tuned, click the notification bell, and go ahead and subscribe and all that good stuff so that you don't miss any videos. But without further ado, let's go over to the McCall's haul. So for this first pattern, I picked up McCall's 8146, and of course I had to pick this up because of the sleeves. I mean, just absolutely gorgeous, and I like the wrap style on the bodice and the fact that it has a peplum. So I absolutely love a peplum, absolutely love a statement sleeve, and I like that it's also a wrap. So again, this is McCall's 8146, and it's also hashtag Myrtle McCalls. And the suggested fabrics for this are charmeuse, crepes, chalets, and lawn. So I picked up the bigger size range, the 18 through 24, and I would cut it in 18. So this next pattern is McCall's 8147, and it's also hashtag Waverly McCalls. I absolutely love this pattern. I want to say that this is probably my favorite one out of the bundle. I love the blouse for view C with the bow. I love A. It's a very casual looking top, but the gathers at the sleeves makes it look trendy as well. And B is also cute. Love a turtleneck. But however, I mean, this meets all occasions. The size ranges from small to extra large, and I picked the bigger size range up here because I'm usually either a large or extra large. This is described as Mrs. Tops, and it takes charmeuse, crepes, cotton blends, chalets. So definitely like this. And like I said, you can just dress this up, dress this down, and I just love the raglan gathered sleeves. The next here is this McCall's 8178, also known as Lauren McCalls, and I like this for views A, B, and C actually. I like that it's a cotton blend. I have a lot of Ankara fabrics that I want to sew, and this would be one of the perfect dress patterns for this. I do have other dress patterns I want to use, but this would help switch it up so that they're not all the same style. And I like A for the summertime, and B and C for fall and winter, and I like B a whole lot because there's a contrast inside, so you can kind of switch up the fabrics. And this is described as a Mrs. Dresses and Belt, and it calls for cotton blends, lawn, chalets, and staple knits. So it's very versatile. And here are the line drawings. In this particular pattern, will end up sewing a size 18 if I don't lose weight before I sew it up. This next pattern here is McCall's 8149. I love this pattern, and I picked it up mainly for view A. I don't know that I would sew any of the other views, but this view right here is the view that I like most. View C is here, what the model is wearing. Then you have view B, but again, I am here for view A, that front zipper. And here are the line drawings in the back. And this is the line drawing for view A. And so this is described as Mrs. and women's skirts. Suggested fabrics are faux leather, velvet, twill, and denim. My hips are only a 43, so I would sew up a size 16, and that's what I picked up. The size range here, 8 to 16. This next pattern here is McCall's 8177 Love 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 View A. All the other, actually View B is nice too, but my focus here is on View A. I think this would be super duper cute for spring and summer, and I just fell in love with that. I like that it has buttons on the front as well. And so in addition to this being 8177, it's also known as hashtag Ashley McCalls. It's described as Mrs. Dresses and Belt as well, and it calls for poplin, cotton blends, linen, and satin. I would sew a size 20 actually in this one, possibly a 22, just depends on which fabric I go with. Again, I am here for View A. Next on the list is McCall's 8151, and this here is also considered Carol McCall's, hashtag Carol McCall's. This is a Mrs. Skirts, and it calls for poplin, crepes, washed silk, satin, and for the lining fabrics, and it also has an invisible zipper. I do not like all views, but I do like View B. I think I would go with View B. I would possibly sew View C. I'm not a fan of the straight skirt here, View A. Not a fan of that at all, but I am here for this. This is why I picked that up. And I would sew up a size 16, and I did get the range 16 to 24. This next one is McCall's 8155, and I picked this up for View B. I would absolutely never sew View A. I can't do a crop. I mean, there's nothing that would even tempt me to sew View A, but View B is what I purchased this pattern for. And I picked up the 18 through 24 because I would end up sewing a size 18. It's described as Mrs. and Women's Jacket and Vest, and it calls for wool crepes, gabardine, wool blends, tweed. Not sure what that gabardine is. I don't even know if I'm saying that right, but yeah. So here's the line drawings. I don't do jumpsuits right now either. And so B here, this is the line drawing that I would be going for. Then we have McCall's 8179, also known as Allison McCalls. I picked this up for the little fluttery flounce on View A. And I would also sew View B. So just these two views here. This one just, I don't know. I don't like it at all. View C. I'm not feeling that view. This is described as Mrs. Dresses. The suggested fabrics are brocade, cotton blend, sateen, poplin, and then it has a lining. Here's the line drawings. And then this one is not a spring pattern, but I have been having my eye on this pattern because if you look on here, the pattern cover, it's okay. But I've seen different people on Instagram that have actually made this up, and this actually is very, very nice looking on. So I wanted to go ahead and get this McCall 7969, and it ranges from extra small to extra, extra large, and I picked up the larger sizes because I usually sew up a larger extra large. And the view that I would go with, I'm thinking would be View B or View A. I'm not really fond of View D, but actually A, B, or C looks nice to me. So I would get a lot of use out of this. Here's the line drawings. And the fabrics that this calls for are linens, crepes, challis, and georgette. And yeah, I think it'd be very nice. So that is all for my spring McCall's fabric haul. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video, and don't forget to subscribe if you have not done so already. Until next time, I'll see you in the next video, and thank you for watching. Bye.